What is the point of using AI agents if you do not trust them with your data? That's what Salesforce thought when they started working on Agentforce. And to make sure that your data stays safe while you innovate with LLMs, they added the Einstein Trust Layer. Let's see what it is, how it makes Agentforce safe for use, and everything else that you must know. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. And today, I'm about to explore another foundational feature of Agentforce, the Einstein Trust Layer, which is a built-in security pipeline for all generative AI use in Salesforce. Now, what does that mean? Let me explain it to you. So, whenever you give your AI agent a prompt, the Einstein Trust Layer protects it and safely delivers it to the AI model, making sure that only the AI can access data in a secure way. And once the AI agent responds, the same process is repeated for a secure delivery to users. So here are the main functionalities that this trust layer carries out. Grounding in CRM data to ensure accuracy. Masking of sensitive data such as social security numbers. Toxicity detection on LLM generations, audit trail and feedback. And zero data retention agreements with third-party LLM partners. Let's look over the complete process to see how it all happens inside Agentforce. So the first stage, which is when you type your prompt and it enters the agent chat, is where it is enriched with relevant data and anything sensitive is removed. This is the grounding phase or secure data retrieval. The trust layer replaces any merge fields in the prompt with live Salesforce data so that the model only gets current context. For example, a placeholder like contact name is grounded to the actual contact's name from the record. The goal is to add real context and reduce hallucinations by providing up-to-date information. Then comes a more dynamic grounding where the trust layer invokes flows, data cloud lookups, or even APIs to fetch related information from external sources. This is where permission sets and user-level access control play a critical role. Einstein does not blindly fetch data from Salesforce. Instead, it respects the user's profile and their assigned permission sets. If a user does not have permission to view a specific field or record, that data is never grounded into the prompt, even if it exists in Salesforce. After grounding, the trust layer performs data masking on the prompt to protect privacy. Think of it like the end-to-end encryption that happens in your WhatsApp chats. This ensures sensitive customer data never goes in plain form to the third-party AI. Now, your prompt enters the next stage, the interaction with the generative model moving through the LLM gateway. This gateway is the unified interface that connects Salesforce to different AI models like OpenAI and Anthropic. The prompt is encrypted in flight and the gateway ensures that any external model sees only the sanitized masked prompt. Now, this is where the zero data retention agreements that Salesforce has with its AI partners come into place. So basically, the model processes the prompt and immediately forgets it. For example, OpenAI's enterprise API will not retain prompts or outputs beyond the API call, and Salesforce is notified if any misuse is detected. Salesforce also integrates content moderation, which means if the AI partner detects any abusive input or output, Salesforce is alerted and can block or log the incident. This shared trust boundary means the model treats Salesforce data with strict confidentiality and safety. Finally, the stage of post-generation processing is reached. This is where the AI model is supposed to give a response to your prompt. When the AI returns a response, the trust layer immediately runs toxicity detection and safety checks on the output. It scores the generated content across categories like toxicity, hate, identity, violence, profanity, etc., using a hybrid rules plus ML model. An overall safety score is assigned, and if any category is flagged, the system can warn the user or block the response. This second layer of filtering catches any inappropriate content the model might have produced despite the careful prompting. Next, data demasking restores the original values in the response. All placeholder tokens are replaced back with the true PII that was masked earlier. The final step is feedback and auditing. The AI response is delivered to the user in Salesforce, who can then accept, edit, or reject the AI suggestion. Every action is logged in an audit trail, the original prompt, the full response, all safety scores, and any user edits or ratings. This permanent log of time-stamped metadata means every AI interaction is traceable. It allows admins to review usage and helps Salesforce improve future models and compliance. So this is exactly how the Einstein Trust Layer works and keeps your Agentforce interactions secure. If you want to learn more about Agentforce and get hands-on, check out our Agentforce training by S2 Labs. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more such videos to Salesforce Hulk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.